Hey guys, I'm Marissa and welcome back to my channel. I am a first-time mom with my son Peter, who is a little over 3 months old, and I'm also a huge fan of budgeting. And so during my pregnancy journey and in this new season of motherhood, I've been learning how I can budget and save for baby costs. And so today I wanted to share with you how to save money on diapers. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I also want to let you guys know that I actually now have a budgeting for baby course that is live. And so I will have a link to that in the description box down below if you're wanting to learn more about planning for your pregnancy and the things that you can expect to spend on and how to save money on those things and how to financially plan for this huge monumental time in your life. I have a course all about it. You can check it out in the description box down below. Also included in this course is a super cute workbook, and you also get access to a private Facebook group, which has been really fun to talk with a bunch of expecting moms who are planning their finances for having a baby as well. So I'd love to have you there. Definitely check it out below. So diapers. This can be such an expensive item, and I remember when I was pregnant, like before I had a baby, thinking of how expensive having a baby would be, and you just hear people talking about how expensive it is to have diapers. But through my journey into motherhood, I've learned that you really don't need to spend that much on diapers, and also you should only be buying diapers when they're on sale. Like, you can always find them at a discount, and so here are ways that you can save money and always find them on sale. First off is with an Amazon baby registry. So if you're pregnant, start an Amazon baby registry because they have an awesome perk when it comes to diapers. If it ends up that you have $500 worth of things bought off your registry, either bought by friends and family or even bought by yourself, like just items from your baby registry, then you get their awesome benefit of their diaper discount, which is that you get 20% off of diapers for a year or up to $60 worth of free diapers. So this is a huge benefit, and you can also pair it with their subscribe and save feature, which can save even more, up to like 40% off diapers. So make yourself an Amazon baby registry. Even if this is like your second kid and you're not planning to have like a baby shower, still make a registry and get the things that you need off of your Amazon registry so that you can get this perk, because it's definitely a huge help. We've actually used this already. We had some diapers gifted to us, which I'll talk about here soon as well. But one awesome thing is we got to use our Amazon registry coupon for a couple boxes of newborn diapers. We ended up needing more newborn sizes than what we had, and so we were able to get a couple boxes off of Amazon. They arrived to our house the very next day, which is perfect when you have like a 2-week-old baby, and I'm pandemic baby life right now too, so really didn't want to go out and about. So it was very nice to just have them sent to us with Amazon and also save some money on them. The next way to save money on diapers is having a diaper party. So this again is one of those other things that you can do while you're expecting, and I do have some tips for if you already have your baby here. But if you are still expecting, you can have a diaper party. And I know that like with pandemic, it may be a little bit different with having a get together. I know that for us, like my son was born in May, we were planning to have baby showers in like April, and so obviously they were canceled because everything was like crazy then, everything getting shut down. So we ended up not having a baby shower or a diaper party, but we were totally planning on it. So I know that a lot of guys will have like a get together and do a diaper party for the dad, and you bring like beer and diapers and just have like a barbecue get together. So it's a great way for like the guys to hang out, and you also get some free diapers that way. And also other baby showers I've been to do like a diaper raffle, so that way if you bring a box of diapers, you get like your name entered into a raffle for like a date night gift card or something like that. So that way you can encourage people to also bring a thing of diapers to the baby shower, which people love to do anyway. And you can just say any size diaper and have them be entered in to win. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, you can definitely ask the person who's throwing your baby shower to include that on the invitation. But I know that other people who've done this have gotten like a year's worth of diapers just from doing this. So it's a huge benefit. I wish we could have done it, because that would have been a huge lifesaver. So let's talk about if your baby's already here, but also if you are still expecting, here are other ways that you can still save money on diapers just by planning ahead. The next way is by purchasing off-brand diapers like Kirkland Costco diapers. You guys, this is an awesome cost savings. So I haven't used these diapers yet, but I will say we've used so far Pampers, Huggies, and Honest diapers, and our favorites have been Huggies. And I've heard that the Kirkland diapers are made on the same factory line as Huggies, so they are very similar to Huggy brand diapers. And we actually just ordered some for the next size up that Peter will be in because we don't have enough for his next size. So the Kirkland diapers are about 18 cents per diaper. Like, that's super cheap. That is even probably, I think it's been cheaper than what like Huggies are with the Amazon discount that you can get. So it's very cheap to get the Kirkland brand diapers, but they also sometimes run a sale on them. So actually they just ran a sale in August, which I feel bad that I'm now putting this video out after the sale's been done, but hopefully they'll put them on sale again soon. But they had a great sale going on with the diapers. I think it was $7.50 off a box. So we ended up getting them for, I think that it was like 14 cents a diaper, which was a huge discount and great savings. So definitely look into Costco Kirkland diapers. That is a really great option to get super affordable diapers. And if you like Huggy brand, I've heard they're very similar. I'll keep you posted on whether or not we like them, but we definitely do love Huggies. The next way to save is with Target's baby sale. So I feel like every month I get like a notification that Target's doing a sale on baby items where if you spend $100 on baby items, you get a $20 gift card to Target. So it's basically like you're saving 20%. So you can pick up diapers at Target up to $100 worth of diapers and then get a $20 gift card, which then you could just turn around and go get more diapers if you truly wanted. And the other great thing about Target is that they have their red card, which I have a Target red card, and you get an additional 5% off. So therefore you can stack all of those coupons and get a really great deal on diapers. Target will sell normal name brands like Huggies and Pampers and Honest and those kinds of diapers, but they also have their own Up and Up brand, which I have not used yet, but again, if you don't mind having an off-brand diaper, then that's an even cheaper way to get more diapers for less. So I'm here to say, you should be able to get diapers at a discount no matter what. You just have to plan ahead a little bit more and be on the lookout for when sales are happening. So like I said, this Costco Kirkland diaper sale that was going on, we stocked up on size 3s and 4s, even though Peter is still finishing out size 1 diapers. But we knew that they were going to be on sale. We knew that he was going to use them eventually, so we just decided to pick them up. Same thing with like the Target baby sale that's going on. If you know that you're going to need more diapers eventually and you have the money in your baby fund budget, then use that money to stock up on some diapers. I really don't want you having to run to the store in the middle of the night to pick up baby diapers, and it's great to have them on hand. I know that isn't the case for everyone because of limited space, but whatever you can do, put them under the bed, whatever. Like, you can stock up on diapers and purchase them when they're on sale because there's going to be some sort of sale going on, and it's best to take advantage of it when you can. Which again just means that you need to do a little bit more planning and also keep a baby fund in your budget. We love having a baby fund in our budget. We put $100 a month into our baby fund, and this way we have money set aside for any sort of baby expenses when they come up. So we use our baby fund for diapers, clothing, toys. I do breastfeed, but we'd also put formula in here if we needed to, and we just let this accumulate every month, and so we always have a balance in this fund. And that way when diapers go on sale, I know that I already have the money set aside in this fund that's to be spent on diapers, and so I can use my money there to stock up on diapers that I know I'm not going to use for probably like another year. But it's great to know that I got them at a discount, and I do have the space in my house to be able to keep a little stockpile. So again, if you want to learn more about budgeting for baby and how you can save on baby expenses and what to expect as you're planning your finances for the season of having a baby, then definitely check out my course in the description box below. We'll also talk all about the baby fund, which is my favorite thing, and how you can budget and plan for just all of these expenses while you're expecting. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.